Here I have Zyrex ZA987 and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to restart your device, force restart and simply unlock the bricked phone, let's use the following method. Let's open the back cover by using the following cavity at the right edge of the device. Let's do it step by step, just to open the whole thing. And now you've got access to the battery. Let's remove the battery by using the following cavity, and let's remove it just for about 5 to 10 seconds just to restart your device. Let's wait, then let's put back the battery. Let's close the back cover protection, and you can simply switch on the device to start working on your phone. The Zyrex is switching on. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.